Hi guys! So this no-net app can block internet access to particular apps. The UI is simple. You will see the list of all the installed apps on your phone and you can choose any app to block internet access. For this video, we'll choose our own app, Custom DNS Changer. If you go to the block list, you will find all the app that has been blocked. Now to block internet access, make sure to turn this toggle on as well. So after the toggle is on, you will see this key icon. Also make sure you are given the VPN permission. This is not a VPN app. It's because of the Android policy, we have to use VPN to route the app. This app does not change the IP nor the country. Anyway, once this is done, now let's test the Custom DNS Changer app. If I open the app and go to this network tab, the internet access has been blocked. That's why it cannot access the internet, hence it's showing error as you can see. But at the same time, if I use Chrome, let's see DNS leak test, you can see it is working perfectly fine. And you know, I'm from Nepal, so it is using all the Nepal IPs. So even if it is showing VPN, it does not change the IP nor the country. Anyway, now to unblock, turn the main toggle off, or you can turn this toggle off too. I'll turn this off, so you can see the key icon has disappeared. Now if I go to DNS app again and go to network, you can see the internet is working fine. Additionally, in this app, you can also tap on this clock icon and choose when the timer will stop. For example, if I choose 9:10, then it will immediately block it and it will auto stop at 9:10 p.m. I'll stop it manually. You can also schedule to start the timing from say 9:10 and end it at 10:09. If scheduled, the blocking will start at this specified time. It will start at 9:10 and end at 10:09. This is however the paid feature. So please do give it a try. It is very handy and easy to use app to block internet access to particular app. This works for WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and all. Sometimes if you get a call or message despite the app is blocked, you can simply remove the app from the background and it will work. But rest assured, the caller or the message sender will not know that you are online. Thank you very much.